Hello everyone, in this video I'm going to show you how to set up Killer Whale Swing Trade Strategy with Classic Template. First you're going to go over to Marketplace, Strategies, search Killer Whale. We're going to sort by Strategies. Click on Swing Trade. First you'll need to purchase the strategy. In this example I'm going to be paying with balance. Pay now. Once downloaded, make sure you click Auto Update. Then you're going to go back to the Marketplace tab, search Templates. Again, we're going to type in Killer Whale. In this example, I'll be using the Classic Kucoin template, so I'm going to search by Templates. Scroll down about the middle of the page. Classic Kucoin template, download and auto update. Once you've done this, you can come back over to the config and then base config tab. Next, what we're going to do is come over to the actions tab, click on load template. You're going to select the template that you just downloaded, Killer Whale template Kucoin USDT. Click load template. Once the template has been loaded, we come back over to the strategy tab, uncheck signals only, and we're going to select Killer Whale Swing Trade Strategy and hit save. Once this is complete, you can come back over to your dashboard, and in this example we're using paper trading, so what we're going to do is deposit $2,500 worth of paper funds into USDT. $2,500, click deposit. And the last step is to enable your hopper. Thank you for joining us. Killer Whale, change the way you trade.